today we are going to be doing a video on how I lay my wigs with glue so it stays on like really nicely. Today I'm working with Chic Bond, which is made by Salon Pro. You've probably heard of them from their Salon Pro 30 Seconds eyelash glue, but today we're going to be using their wig glue. This wig glue is called the Chic Bond Premium Invisible Hold Lace Wig Bond. Ultimate hold under excessive conditions. Rich in vitamin E and aloe vera, waterproof, temperature resistant, and it's a superb hold with one coat layer. They also sent me the Extreme Invisible Bond Wig Glue. They also sent me the Chic Bond Lace Wig Bond Conditioning Remover. Then they also sent me this scarf. Then they also sent me this cute shirt, which, let me tell you, I don't know if they've been following my YouTube channel, but I've been losing some weight and they sent me a size small t-shirt. And it makes me feel real good that it fits me. This is the shirt. Look how cute! It's just plain black, and it says Chic Bond, taking your style to the next level, which is so cute. It made me super happy when I tried this on, and it was a small, and it fit me, y'all. I was ecstatic. You should ask Andrew. Let's get into this. Alright, so first step is obviously put that hair in a wig cap. Second, I like to do something with the hair of the wig that we are putting on so that it's not in the way when we're putting down this lace. I actually put on one bobby pin in the front of my hairline, and this just kind of helps keep my wig cap secure, at least here. By the way, I've already kind of washed and wiped away the edges of my hair for any makeup or, you know, setting spray. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take my wig and just place it over my wig cap. Ooh, I look a hot mess. Okay, so then what I like to do is I put my wig underneath the wig cap with my combs, and then I just pull this back, and I just like to bobby pin this at the top so that it doesn't flip down on me. Alright, so then I'm going to take the Premium Wig Glue. This is what she looks like, and we are going to place this onto our hairline, and I'm just going to dot this all the way down. Alright, so now what I like to do is I like to use a rat tail comb. Can't find my rat tail comb, but I have a color wand, and I'm just going to take the pointy end of that. Make sure you clean the end of this off and just smooth this out. And then when this dries clear is when we will move on to our next step. You can use a blow dryer for this, but I just let it dry by itself, you know.
I play some Raw Beauty Christie or Cat Sketch or some Mile Higher podcast or some Bailey Sarian or some Kathleen Lights. You know, pick your poison.
And we're just gonna wait. I'm back. As you can see, it is pretty much dried clear all the way around the perimeter, and we can move on to the next step. So what I like to do first is I like to put my center down first and then work towards the sides. So what I like to do is I pull this up and I pull my wig back, because I would much rather have to pull it forward than to try and push it back after it's down. Does that make sense? I'm just going to take this lace and place it right along that glue. like that. And then we are just going to work our way around the edge of this wig. And we're just going to work all the way around. Once I get it down, I like to go back in with my metal pick. And so what I do is I just go where it is and just press down. This is amazing when it comes to laying the wigs. It really helps. I like to just take little baby hairs and just lay it over the lace line. And at this point we can take the pigtails out and just brush this hair out just to get a feel of where our baby hairs are going to sit. And we're just going to brush them forward and then back. I am not an expert at this, but I can tell you that I've done this on multiple occasions. Once you have it completely laid and how you like it to look, what I usually do is tie a bandana around my head, but Chic Bond sent this as well, which is super handy. So what I do is I put my hair in a ponytail, and then I like to take the scarf or bandana. This is way easier, let me just be honest. And I just like to tightly tie it around my head. And then this is going to help set that glue in, let it dry fully, and look as natural as possible. I'm gonna leave this on for about an hour, and I'll be right back. It's been about 55 minutes, and I'm thinking this is dry, and I'm really excited. Ooh. It feels so secure. Wow. Nowhere does it feel like it's coming off, which is crazy awesome. This is a lot of hair, y'all. Just so you know. Ooh, it's not budging nowhere. Guys. Dude. I just put this wig up into a ponytail. And it's not going nowhere. That's pretty awesome, guys. That's pretty awesome. I really, really love this. Oh my, I still can't believe, like, look how good it's on there, guys. Like, so that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button down there, and also the subscribe button if you would like to become part of the Glam Fam. And don't forget to check out Chic Bond. I will leave all of the info you need to know about them in the description box below. They also have a remover, which is really, really awesome. Just want to say thank you to Chic Bond for working with me on this video, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye!